Let's model population together using matrices. This is an introduction to Leslie matrices, part 1. Okay, let's get a population and we're going to split them up into 3 age groups. For each age group, we look at the birth rate or fertility rate and survival rate. How many of them continue on to the next age group? Firstly, birth rate of age group 0. Well, none of them are having babies, so the birth rate is 0. Birth rate of age group 1, let's put 1.4. Next, birth rate or fertility rate of age group 1. They're going to be having most of the babies. I'm going to put 1.4. And the birth rate of that top age group, they're getting pretty elderly, so I'll put 0. Let's look at the survival rate. It's not usually 100% for humans, it's pretty close. Let's just make it low at 0.8 for age group 0. The next age group, I'm just going to make a little bit different, 0.9. This means 90% of them continue on to the next age group. And the final age group always has 0 for the survival rate. There is no other age group to progress into, so it's 0. Let's use these numbers to fill in the matrix. So our matrix is a little bit different than transition matrices. Our first row is something very special. It's just the birth rates. And think about it. Age group 0 producing age group 0. How many of them are having babies? None. So let's put a 0 there. Age group 1 producing age group 0. Well, that's 1.4. It's the birth rate. And age group 2 producing age group 0, none in this case. So let's put a 0. The next bit that we fill out is the survival rates, but they're only ever non-zero in this diagonal underneath the birth rates. You'll see why in a moment. So 0 going up to 1, surviving into the next age group. Well, that's just the survival rate, 0.8. Age group 1 surviving to get to the next age group, it's the survival rate 0.9. Now everything else is 0, remember? Let's see why. Age group 1 going into age group 1, that doesn't really make sense. You either die or progress to the next age group. There is no staying at the same age group. So that's going to be 0. Same with 2 to 2. They're not staying there. They either die or they progress, but there's nowhere to progress to. So that's a 0. What about age group 0 jumping to age group 2? We can't skip age groups, so that has to be 0 as well. And age group 2 going backwards? No one's getting any younger, so that's going to be 0 as well. So we've used birth rates and survival rates to fill in our Leslie matrix. That can then be used to estimate populations in the future. Good job.